Autumn is in full swing here in my Canadian backyard. Look at these gorgeous colors and our little blue jay visitors. Hi guys, got a minute? I'm Maria, welcome to my channel. Today we're making an easy crockpot turkey rice soup. It's cozy, healthy, and perfect for fall and winter. I'm using fresh turkey this time, but if you've got leftover turkey from the holidays, this recipe is a wonderful way to use it up. It's easy to make, hearty, and so delicious. Your whole family's going to love it. Let's get started. You'll need 3 celery stalks chopped, 1 onion chopped. While I'm behind the camera, my amazing husband is chopping all the veggies and helping me get everything prepped. What a kitchen superstar. Thanks, honey. 3 carrots chopped. 3 garlic cloves minced. Picked some parsley from our backyard and gave it a good wash. My husband is chopping it up, about 2 tablespoons or more if you like. It's totally optional, so feel free to leave it out if you prefer. I'm whipping up some chicken broth using bouillon cubes. So 3 cubes of chicken bouillon and 9 cups of hot water. But feel free to use whatever chicken broth. If you have homemade or the boxed or canned kind will also work. Time to throw all our ingredients into the crock pot. The carrots, the celery, the onion and garlic, give it a stir. 2 tablespoons of butter, totally optional if you want a little extra richness. 1 bay leaf, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried sage leaves, and 1/8 teaspoon dried rosemary. I've got 2 fresh turkey thighs here. If you're using leftover turkey, you can add it later. Next, toss in the parsley and season with pepper however you like. Now pour the chicken broth over everything. I skipped the salt because the bouillon cubes give plenty of flavor. Give it a quick stir, then cover and cook on low for 4 hours. After 2 hours of cooking, remove the turkey from the crock pot. Take off the skin, shred the meat, and put it back in. If you're using leftover turkey, shred it and add it in now. This is the time to wash and add 1 cup of brown rice, which helps it stay firm and maintain its texture. Give it a quick stir, cover, and let it cook through. And there you have it, my easy crockpot turkey rice soup. It's cozy, comforting, and perfect for this time of year. Just a little note, as it cools, the soup will thicken up a bit, and the flavors get even better after a day or 2 in the fridge. It's truly one of those soups that tastes better with time. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my easy crockpot lasagna for another cozy family favorite. Bye for now.